Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean your implements after your service. So as you can see here, I have a jar that I use. I bought this from Sally's, and this is what I use to clean implements in. But before we get to that, I'm going to show you the first part that you need to do. Okay, so always whenever you're getting ready to clean your implements, make sure you have something down that goes down the drain, so that way for your really small bits and things, they don't end up down the drain. So like, you know, these bits aren't cheap, so it kind of really sucks if like something like this went all the way down the drain, you couldn't get back out. So yeah. Alright, so let me show you guys what I do. So I always keep like a little scrubby brush like this, and I put hot water, like super hot water and soap. So I have some hot water. I'm trying to get some hot water going, you guys. Just give me a second. Or actually, while you wait for your water to get hot, I would say, so you can go ahead and prepare your bath for the implements to go in the bucket. And I use Barbicide, and it's the anti-rust formula. And this is almost about gone, but I'm not worried about it because I do have a larger container, so I'm just going to fill that up. But yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the rest of this in there. When you're using it, you usually want to do a capful of the Barbicide and mix it with hot water. That is about as much as you should be using for your implement. And you should leave it in there for about 10 minutes. That's usually what it calls for. Okay, so I have a hat for it there. And I'll go ahead and I put it in here. Right in there. Okay. Like that. And then I like to go ahead, if my water's hot right now, which it is, it's super hot, I should go ahead and then just fill it up about halfway. Just like that. Okay? So now it's getting to clean the implement. So, like I said, I like to take this brush, okay, fill it up with some hot water. And then I like to go in with my soap of choice. I usually use like an antibacterial soap, and so that's what I'm using here. Okay. And you see how it's all sudsy? That's what you want. You want the soap, you want to be very sudsy, so yeah. Okay. And then I'm going to get my first implement, and I'm just going to scrub it all over. Okay. So what I like to do is just wipe it on down, rinse it off a bit. Okay. And then I'll take it, put it in here, and I'll clean it. Okay. So this is going to repeat the same step. Until I've successfully cleaned all of my implements. Okay, you guys. Make sure you do this with gloves. You kind of don't want the Barbicide to get on your hands too much. Okay. Same thing again. And this is all I'm doing. Cleaning that off. And so, to make sure I'm staying in line with the cosmetics board and making sure I'm sanitizing everything correctly, I usually give myself about 15 minutes to clean up my service and get my implements clean in between each appointment. And then I also have duplicates of each, like either duplicates or triplets of each type of bit or thing that I use, so that I'm not having to clean between every single client. But I'm also giving myself enough time to clean my desk off and get set up for the next appointment. Okay? I just like to go in and rinse the brush out. Make it sure to rinse the brush out there. Okay. Alright. And now that I have all the implements clean, as you can see here, okay, I'm going to take the bath that I've already made. Okay, we're going to place the tray right on in there. And then the next thing you do is just close it. And then I always set a timer for 10 minutes, so I never leave it in there for too long. And then, yeah. So I'll be back in 10 minutes and I'll show you what I do. Okay, so now that it's been sitting in here for 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and rinse off the implements. And you also do this again in hot water. So let me get my hot water. And again, if you don't have Barbicide, I don't recommend that you really should be doing anybody's nails, because you're not able to thoroughly clean your tools. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm just coming in with the water. Let me bring you guys over some. Okay, so now I have my water. I'm rinsing off the instrument real quick. Here. Okay. And then I'm going to pick them up and do it myself. It's just, I'm trying to do this for the purpose of the video, you guys. So that's why I'm not really picking it up.
Okay, you guys, I was just going to say, like, I wasted so much water in this video. I don't know why I did that, but I think it's because I was just so nervous and trying to make sure that, like, I did a good job explaining everything. And so I was focused on explaining and less on the fact that the water was running. I'm normally not this wasteful with water, so y'all please don't attack me in the comments. Like, definitely don't waste the amount of water that I wasted. Like, it was just ridiculous. But yeah.
That basically is that. So I'm going to rinse them off really good. I'm just going to kind of drain the water. Just by grabbing the water off. Okay. And then I always take a paper towel, like this one, okay? And then I'm going to fold it over top, and then just take my implements and then just drop them over top of the paper towel, okay? And honestly, that is how you clean your implements. Let them air dry or just dry them off really quickly. And then, yeah, you have completely clean, dry implements. And this is what I do every time before a service, and before the next service and after a service. So yeah, you guys. See you guys in the next one.